So I was in Sydney last week and I raided one of the cupboards in our head office and I found this. Now this is going to upgrade my video at home, so who's up for an unboxing? Let's go! Okay, this is the box for the Avaya HC020. HC for huddle cam and 020 for who knows what. Comes in this rather plain packaging, pretty good for recycling I guess. So pulling out, there's a couple of things in the box, just easy packaging. And what's here first? First is some instructions. We don't need those. Just plugs in. So it plugs in with this 3-meter cable. So the cable, good 3 meters. Those you put your camera anywhere in a 3-meter room. A remote, if your camera is 3 meters away, you want to be able to control it. And finally, the camera. The camera itself is a 1080p 30 resolution, 8x digital zoom. It's got a really good 105-degree horizontal field of view. So that's going to be pretty wide. We'll test that in a minute, but here's some B-roll. So for the past few years, I've been using a Logitech webcam like this. What have you guys been using? Comment below and let us know. Are you still using laptops or have you actually upgraded to bigger cameras? This webcam's been great, but has one problem. It doesn't have any inbuilt software to rotate it upside down 180 degrees. This is a problem for me because as monitors and things are getting bigger, the cameras are sitting up way too high and you get that downward view. And you know, I just can't stand that. The interaction just doesn't work for me. I can't, get eye contact even though it's on a video, and that's a pretty big deal. So I'm upgrading up to my new camera. It does have that function. Let's have a look side by side what the quality is going to be on them. So I've got these two cameras side by side at the moment, just out of the box, plugged in, recording to see how they look. And I think it's quite obvious that the Avaya camera straight away has got a lot better color in my skin. It's not as blown out from the lighting. And even this light up here, you can see a bit more detail in the Avaya camera than the Logitech camera. And this is a step up from laptop cameras as well. And I spend a lot of time, sometimes 8 hours a day on video calls. And it's really important that, it is a professional, high quality look. And I'm going to get this out of this Avaya HC020 camera. So that was just a quick look at the video camera that I'm going to be using for my video conferencing when I'll work flexibly in the future. Now, I haven't played with any settings on it, no exposure control. It does have built-in noise reduction and a few other settings that should be able to make that picture really, really crunchy and sharp. But, there's also this other part, there's a hub that I haven't connected up yet. That's for another video, but that will actually, improve that whole quality as well. So until then, give us a comment, a share and a like. Tell us what video you're using and how do you work flexibly. But until then, have a great week. Let us know what you thought. Ooh.